Hello, hello. Hurry up and. Well, hurry up and make up. Come back. Oh, yay! Oh, why did you change your avatar? What did you change your avatar? 1 sec, I need to start the recording. Tell me when you is recording. This. Ooh, wheel. Anymore. Let it go. Let it turn away and slam in there. Oh, you're recording now. Why did you change your avatar? Had it on camera. I had it on Oh. Oh my gosh. You guys suck. Yep. Oh yes. So, anyways, private servers in this game are too expensive, so I just joined a server with one person in it. And now it's what? Wart. You can't say my name like that. Oh. Boing, boing. Boing. Say something. It's too quiet. And my family. And this is awkward. This is awkward for me because I have to keep talking. Wee. Oh. Oh, sick. I'm great at this. She's terrible. I watched her. No offense. Oh, shoot. I forgot I can't jump. Get back here. I'm not allowed to do this. Shoot, I didn't know. You died. No, 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 no. Oh, she died. She's terrible. You're terrible. Wait, am am I allowed to bully you? Oh, please say yes. Much. Game. Oh, I died. I, you're the what? Hey, 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 hey. Let me find his wrench. I know where his wrench is. That's a wrench. This is a wrench. Wait, do you have goat ears? Oh, that's a wrench if I've ever seen one. Why? Bruh, why? I'm not that bad. Because have you seen your last video? Dot dot dot. I can't wait to watch your side of this. I can't wait to watch. Do you guys not know where the wrench is? Just pick up a hammer and start. Wait, what? Jump over the lasers. You did not. Oh, I don't have the build a wall. Let me build a wall. I want to build a wall. Bye. Get away. Imagine not. Hey, get off my wall. This isn't your wall. I got a bang gun. Bang. Just get on a wall. You're about to die. Oh, wait, so am I. Get on a wall. Mia, no. 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 Enter the castle. I mean, okay. I want to see. Oh, no, this is the sliding one. Boo. Nobody's gonna reach the other side of the bridge. No, 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 no. Ah. Oh, they're terrible. Oh, oh my gosh. You're Wait, did you go inside the bed? Dead? Or in bed? I told you. JK. You alright? Oh my gosh. I just too good. Oh, giant volcano. Where? Ah! Now it's just us. Me versus you. Oh shoot. I can get to the end. This is easy. I've played Temple Run before. Bing, 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 bing. Imagine. Oh, wait.
Jay, you playing with your Roblox girlfriend?
No. No.
Not yet.
I'm playing with a friend.
Your Roblox boyfriend?
No.
Yeah.
No, no,
So you
no.
have a furry friend?
Somewhat, yes.
How is he a furry?
It's a she.
No. Does she wear like furry stuff to school?
No, it's just in Roblox.
Frick, bro, it's two matches canceled. Is that who you're playing with right now?
Yes, because for fun, I just make videos even if I'm not popular, and she does the same thing. So,
What do you post it on?
YouTube.
What's your YouTube channel?
Just Cone.
Just Cone?
No, it's just Cone.
Cone?
Uh-huh. Ooh. But I'm gonna beat her.
Like C-O-N-E cone?
Yeah, Cone.
It's not popping up.
Yeah, that's because I have 4 subscribers. What the? Why are people joining us? Oh. Yes, I mean you. We need to find a way to have our voice in the same video. I don't know, but I wanna finish it off with me beating you in a obby.
Rob, I mean, Ryder. Do you still snap, Libby back? Yeah.
By the way,
Rare? Yeah.
Zoom could possibly work. Just hide it out of
I think
frame.
you can still get with her.
Yay!
Because she like,
Oh, I was supposed to
she was
jump
talking
through
to me.
those?
And the
I
kid
did
on the
not
Payson suite his
understand.
name's Dawson. She was talking to both of us at the same time. And she got with one of my other friends at the same time too. So she was talking to
Is
all
that
three of us.
Tamagotchi? You have a Tamagotchi?
But what you did too with her and Nora.
Maybe
Do you
if
snap her still?
I,
No.
uh,
You snap
maybe
Nora,
if I
right?
also have, wait.
Alright, wait. Send me your snapping face.
You
Cause
didn't
I don't
have
know
to
if I have to
cut
block
me.
Nora.
No.
Cause I don't know if I like. You think Nora's bad? Yeah. What? Is she like freaky too?
I am terrible at this. Oh, find and press the button. Is this the button? I mean, stop. Oh, someone found the button. I want to press the. I pressed the button. Find the hole in the wall. Oh, ah. No. We. Red light. Green. Oh shoot! I need sound. Yeah. Yay. We can stop whenever.
I love spending time with you.
On your marks, ready, set, go. Told you. Then should play an obby. Oh. Trust me, I have. Stop. Oh, anything to keep me safe. Why? Oh. She's scared. I'm gonna beat her in both of them. No. Too sad. Get off my pink. Yellow. Yellow lost. It's not gonna be green. I feel like I'm going too slow. No. Watch out. Oh, potatoes. We should. Okay. Just like that. Oh my gosh. I beat you, and that's all that matters in the end. Auto clicker. Ew, what is happening with me? Okay. And dancing. The music. Oh. Oh. This tense. This. No! Lopathium levodosis. Wait, what? Let me out. Oh. Santa. Okay. Oh. And the frick are his presents. Hiding them from me. Okay. Get ready. Fight. Oh. Get it. No, 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 no. We can talk. Hey. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Get away from me. Get away from me. Why is mine not working? I don't know how these things work. Oh. Are you guys dumb? It's don't press the button. And now that you pressed it, you broke it. Oh, pumpkins. Ew. What? Ew. off the building. I mean, okay. Why am I on the building? Fart. No. 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 And you fell off the building. You suck. Ah! Ah! Oh, this. I played speedrun before. I'm Chrissy. Do, 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 do. I want to do it again. Whee! Whee! Wait. No. I know. Oh. Oh, I could have just went. Whee! 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 Oh. Oh. Oh no. No. I pressed the button. Watch out. Grow garden. No. Oh. Ah. Get away from me. Get away from me. Why me? I don't know people. I never did anything to you. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh. I like this. Oh, get to the top. This. What's even fun if you have the rainbow cart? The rainbow carpet. You don't even play, so what's the point of playing? I decided I'm gonna ban rainbow carpet because you're not even playing anymore. Yes! Oh, don't fall in the lava. I insist. Boom. Oh shoot, I didn't know that's, I thought pieces were gonna break off. A key 50. I'm definitely not going to stop. 5 minutes. There's no one. Oh. That was boring. Button. Having no face. Oh. No, I never understood when people. I never understood headless in core blocks. When did it become cool to have no legs or no head? No! I don't remember this side. I will shout out my world 2700. Wait, I won. Why am I still on the remaining list? You know, I'll hold it for you. Yeah, but I didn't understand it. The only thing that's cool without having no leg is this peg leg. I did 3 times. Okay, good, I did 3 times you. Okay, fine. Wee. Oh. I just wanted, oh. 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 Looking extra crisp today. Ah. Wait, does this kill me, the red rod? Yeah, so in conclusion, oh well, that bridge is not safe. In conclusion, I don't like headless nor core blocks. Oh, this is long. How did I die, bro? Because we're on a bridge and you fell off the broken bridge. Oh, why are there? Why do I have to go? So, what? Ugh. Okay. Winners. Oh, how did you win? Oh, I see it now. Should I do the old school trick? Okay, no. Yes. Oh, okay. I guess I'm the one. Ciao. That's me. Ah! My gosh. No color. Oh, no, actually it paused. I should have probably played it instead of just watching. Let me out. Oh. Yeah, let me out. You did this? Oh, put out the fires with the stick of the fires. I'm useless. I should get fired. Oh, I see fire. I see. Don't even fret. I should fight me from being fired because I should be fired. I actually saved that fire, so. It's only spreading. Move out of this building. No. Okay. We floating with your legs crossed. No, wait, what? What the? Okay. Hold on a second. Alright. I'm confused. Wait. Get on that brick. Oh. See, I'm so good at this. So, okay, well, bye bye everyone.